solution, I'm going to use this spider IDE. As you can see, I just make this Python file predict dv dependent variables based on independent variables dot py. And as you can see, my path is set to Python course folder. In Python course folder, I just make a subfolder predict dv on IVs. This is my subfolder, and there I make this Python file predict dv on IVs predict dv on IVs dot py. So this is our Python file, and here we doing our coding session. Let me import all the necessary libraries, and here I'm gonna make a fake data sets for you to make a to make prediction for this polynomial. Like here I'm making a data set, a fake data sets for the polynomial linear regression. Like as you can see, we have a data in a polynomial format. So we have to choose the polynomial regression to get the best fit line for this. And I just make this fake data. So this is in the polynomial format, but there is a chance in real world where you have to deal with some other kind, like you have to choose a polynomial where you have a polynomial data, but it is not a square. You have to make a cube also, or it is in the format of exponential, or maybe it is in format of multivariate, or it is in format of linear regression. So you have to visualize your data, like which algorithm you have to choose. But here I am choosing the polynomial data to predict to predict to predicting the dependent variables based on the independent variables. So I'm gonna importing the polynomial features to get the polynomial features for this single feature. Like I want a degree 2. If you see that your model is not fitting on the degree 2, you can increase your degree in the polynomial format so that you can see whether your data is getting fit or not, best fitting or not. So I just import the polynomial features class to transform my data. As you can see, my data is in format of single line, single vector. X is a single matrix, single column matrix. But in polynomial, I don't want single column. I want two columns. One is for x, one is for x square. So I just by using this polynomial features, I get the square of this, and I get my input variable. I get the square of this, and I get my input variable. So here I get my input variable x and x square, and also I have the y, which is the output. So let me import the linear regression. To fitting our polynomial features, you have to just follow the format, and at last you have to import the linear regression class to make the model for this. So when I put the x poly, which is the two column data, and the y, which is the single column data, I just get my model linear regression. As you can see, I get I just make a linear regression model, but it is best fit. As you can see, my accuracy is 99%, which means that still you are confused, like I just use the linear regression model, but it is not a linear regression model because I give the input of the polynomial feature. So it is a polynomial regression algorithm, and like this we just implementing the polynomial regression. So I just get my model which is best fitted, and let me do some prediction on it. So again, I'm making a fake data. Like I have my x and x square value. As you can see in this, I have my x and x square value, and let's see, did I get a y value for this? Did I get a best fit line? Did I get a best output for this or not? So for that, I just do the prediction, and I get a y new value based on these x square values. And let me plot this. So here I just plt dot scatter x and y. So when I do this x and y, here I see the data, and you also seeing that I just make this code, and you are just thinking why I just made sorry, and you are just thinking why I just add this line of code. So as you can see, if I don't uh, maximize this graph, you don't understand any points, like where this point is, where is this point. So I just maximize this graph to this level, from -5 to 5. I just maximize this, as you can see, from -5 to minus to 5. So when I maximize my graph, so now you can easily see my polynomial data set, like it is in a polynomial format, and you can see every specific points in it. So that's why I just maximize my plot, and here also I just maximize my plot, and I scatter my old data. I just seeing my fitted line, it is fitting, it is looks good or not. So let me show you this, and as you can see, my line is get fit on this polynomial data, and it is well performed on the test data set and also on the train data set. So let me predict some value for this, like when I use this model and I give the value of x, and I give the value of x and x square, I get my prediction. And if you want to see the coefficient, you can see this, and intercept. So this is the value for the x, this is the value for the this is the coefficient for the x, and this is the coefficient for the x square, and this is our intercept. So you can also add some data, and in that data you can apply some regression model and do some prediction on it. So I just recommend you that try to import some other data sets also, and try to fit some model on that, and try to do some research and development on this, because it is very beneficial for you. And that's all for the today's session. Thank you, bye bye, take care, stay motivated, and keep learning.